Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a digital text animation in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition, then hit OK, go to text and I'll type 4G. Okay, now I want to put this point into the middle, so I'll go here and control and double click, and now I'll go to align and I'll put this text into the middle, then press S and I'll increase it like this. Okay, right click, pre-compose, and 4G digital, and make sure that you are on all move attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Double click, Control D, and I'll close this one and I'll go here and effects and presets and type Vegas. Double click and change over to transparent, no segments here, and change this color to blue like this, and also I'll increase here to X. Okay, make sure that you are on the first frame and rotation keyframe, go to last frame and type 3 and see. Okay, now open this layer and go to effects and presets and fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop. I'll change soft linear to block, and I'll go to transform, open transform, and not rotation, scale. I'll degrees scale to 30. Again, go to effects and presets and I'll type find edge, double click and invert to see this. Okay, maybe around 30 like this, and I'll go to effect, color correction and tree tone. I'll change these colors to blue like this, and this one also. Okay, now I'll go to contrast and brightness. I'll increase contrast and I'll decrease brightness like this, and I'll go to evolution and alt and click, and I'll type here time times 100. Yeah, very good. Now I'll make this layer and also this layer 3D, and I'll go here, layer new camera, and press OK. Right click camera and create node. Press R and okay, first I'm sorry, I'll delete it, and I'll go to Vegas digital and press V, then Control D, and I'll change the position to 20. Again Control D and 40. Again, Control D and 60. And last one, Control D and 80. So now I go again to Player New Camera and press OK. Right click camera and create. Yeah. Now press R and rotation, and now I'll rotate. Yeah, that's it. Like this. Yeah. Okay, now I'll pre-compose all. And OK. And I'll double click Control D. And I go to first one and effect, color correction, curves, and I'll change alpha curves like this. Okay, and also go to effect, stylize, and glow. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, now I'll go to layer, no solid, the background. Black, and I'll go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Change linear ramp to radial ramp, and put this point into the middle like this. Then I'll change this color. And also yeah. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new solid, and background digital. Then okay, go to effects and presets and fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop, and I'll change soft linear to lock and transform. Now I'll uncheck uniform scaling to and I'll increase. Okay, to see this, go to effects and presets and find edge and invert. And also go to effect and color correction and retone. Change this color like this, and also and evolution, alt and click and type here time times 100. And let me see. Okay, also I'll go effects and presets and Vegas. Double click or drag and drop, and I'll change this color to blue, and make sure that you are on the first frame. And let me increase this one, and oh, this is good. and I'll go to rotation and I'll change it to maybe 5. Okay, no segments also. No segments also. Okay, now I'll pre-compose all and make it 3D, and I'll go to import camera here and position, and I want to change this, so I'll go here and I'll make it like this. Then I'll change this and position. Like this. Also, you can go to layer and adjustment layer and import some glow and color correction curves here, and also alpha like this. And okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.